Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Wednesday dedicated the Bishop Mama Memorial School at Saltopgre to the public in the presence of Reverend Andrew R. Marak, Reverend Jos Chirakal, senior officials, faculty members, students and local residents. The inaugural ceremony commenced with a benediction by Reverend Andrew R. Marak and Reverend Jos Chirakal, invoking divine guidance for the institution's mission and future endeavors. In his keynote address, Conrad Sangma underscored the catalytic role of education as a cornerstone of socio-economic transformation. He commended the proactive initiative of the church authorities, school management, and community stakeholders in operationalizing the institution and reiterated the government's sustained thrust on bolstering educational infrastructure across the state. Calling for a collaborative approach, the Chief Minister asserted that education is a shared mandate. Drawing from personal experience, Conrad Sangma referenced the life trajectory of his late father, P.A. Sangma, noting that early educational intervention by Catholic missionaries in the remote village of Chapati proved instrumental in shaping his academic and political journey. He observed that the foundational education laid the groundwork for P.A. Sangma's eventual elevation to the office of Speaker of Parliament, exemplifying the long-term dividends of accessible education. Describing his father as a staunch proponent of discipline and learning, the Chief Minister candidly remarked that, like most children, they were once reluctant students, thereby highlighting the critical importance of mentorship and parental guidance in formative years. The commissioning of Bishop Mama Memorial School is poised to augment the academic landscape of Saltopgre, providing an institutional boost to quality education and holistic development in the region.
Ya sumeni bako Bishop Mama ko tama aro ang sasakan siyan amen di sekraingin aro ang sasakan siyan biko matel na ba kra ya Bishop Mama Memorial School na men bini memory biko gisekra na biko mandera na ang tentang mansa biko Karo Hills ni mandirang na binikang kaanina matel plani isa chin ba example ma tasyo Father Korean ang na likha ko kung sako ingat o naso iya Bishop Mama Education and Charitable Trust ni through ano yan biya yung school na isa bus ko biya request ka inga ya Mama Educational and Charitable Trust true ya bus ni quotation ko nga correct na lak kolgreg brini bus ano man ko ang ni Chief Minister Special Grant ni ko biya request ka inga sun ano man ya sumayo ang sa mali magkango at si Bishop Father Kango aro ya charitable trust ni plak member ng Kango ang ya bas ko na si Mata Kutsaka ya bas ko ang sanction ka akin aro ya bas ni at sini ya jolo dong pa sarang na at sini namin nanggap pa transportation aro service ko o naman gin